Okay, welcome back. And what we are looking at is the 2391 question and answer paper 38. Terence Payne, September 2024. Okay. Now, what this looks at is that it's important that you read the information very carefully, okay, and slowly. This just gives you an outline as to where the location of certain items are, and it is important that you know what these items, what the symbols refers to, okay. Now, you must comply with the IEE regulations at all times, okay. You must comply with the IEE regulations at all times. And yes, I have repeated that again. Okay. Now what I want to look at mainly is the questions. And I'm going to do this in two parts. This is going to be part one, okay? Then you're going to have part two. Now figure one, electrical installation diagram of main house and garage. So obviously this is a house and garage, okay? Make sure that I can pick this up. No, we are not. Interesting. Oh, sorry about that. It's okay. I'm just trying to get the camera in focus. Okay. Okay. Now, the occupier of a domestic property has decided to have a new electrical service supply to a steel frame garage installed. The garage is to be used to store the owner's vehicle and for simple DIY work. Okay. Now, make sure you're compliant with the current regulations, okay? Always be compliant with the current regulations, and you must look at the IEE regulations at all times, point in time. Some of these regulations here may have changed or been modified as we have now left the EU, okay? So you have to be aware of that. Okay, sorry about that. It's just me just trying to get it into focus. Okay. Okay. Right. Now again here, I'm not going to read this out to you, but you can look at this for yourself and notice what it's saying to you. Now, you need to have a go at these questions yourself before you look at the answers. That is important, okay? Okay, and circuit 3, a twin 128 watt fluorescent luminaire controlled by a single. Now, this is telling you what the items are in the garage and what needs to be laid out and how he intends to lay out the garage to meet the requirements of the customer, okay? That is very important that you understand that. Okay? Now, I will not read any questions to you. This is for you to read for yourselves. That's why I want to make sure that you can see it clearly and it does not be out of range in any way. Okay? Just see if you can bring this up a little bit more and review that and zoom in. I'm going to go and see if we can zoom in a little bit more, just to make sure that we got a good view. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm happy with that. That's better. Okay, circuit free. So let me just go back up a little bit, make sure that we have it from the start. Okay. And we have, okay. Okay. Now we proceed to, now you need to read this for yourselves and make sure that you understand the concept. And it is important that you look at the current IEE regulations at all times, okay, to accommodate any changes which has been made that is not in this text. Okay, it is your responsibility to ensure that you are up to date and that you are compliant with current regulations at all times. It is your responsibility. Now again, just a little footnote here. Finally, before re-energizing the installation, ensure you reconnect the earthing conductor, then re-energize the installation if safe to do so. Diagram shown on the next page. Okay. Now, obviously, it is your responsibility to ensure that you've carried out all safety checks and all safety applications have been made. I won't be reading this to you. You will read this for yourselves, okay? That is important that you understand that you know how to do this for yourselves. Again, find your own style of learning, implement it, bring it to play for you. Okay? Okay. I hope you found that useful. Let me just go to this. Now I'll take it up top slowly. I'm just going to recap, okay, slowly. Okay, just recapping slowly. Okay. Nothing for me to read here. Okay. And I'm going to insert a session here, text box. I want a text box here. Okay. Okay. It's going to be it's going to be paper 38 SESSION session 1. Okay. Okay. Session 1. Okay. That will be me. Okay. Thank you. Okay. If one session, paper 38 session 1. I'm sorry. 2391. Okay. Save him. Okay. 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 Thank you. I hope you found that useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.